Sugar Plums. This is your friend Evelyn, and I'm flipping through the Flowers sticker book that is a part of the Be Happy, Keep Blooming box. Stay tuned if you would love to see this and you have not seen a detailed flip through of the sticker book yet or have not bumped into it at a store. Okay, welcome back. Yes, I did say you could have bumped into this at a store because this sticker book came out at the beginning of, or no, was it the end of 2019? The end of 2019 with the Ready, Set, Goals collection. But you may not have seen it, or you may have not had a chance to flip through it in a store for whatever reason. And so your friend Evelyn is going to flip through it with you. Don't forget, if you enjoy this video, give the video a thumbs up, comment if there's something you want to keep the conversation going with me, and definitely I want to welcome you to subscribe to the channel in case you enjoy your time here and you want to keep hanging out and see some of my other videos, which are mainly like planning, what I've learned in life and tips for you off of what I've learned. And I have a couple spoof silly videos just because I'm silly like that. So anyways, let's get into it. Flowers. Ooh. Well, I'm going to say this is my first time flipping through this sticker book because I've not been able to find it anywhere. So this is my first time with my hands on it. So that's why I decided to flip through it for you. This is a matte sheet with some pretty illustrated flowers on it. If you don't know me and you're getting to know me, please know that I love fallish colors. So this is my favorite sticker on the sheet. If you see a sheet that's your favorite and you want to gush over it with me, let me know in the comments down below. Now, as I flip through, I'm going to remind you that, or tell you if this is your first video that you've tapped on out of this Be Happy box collection, that I did flip through the other sticker books as detailed as I'm doing here. Love these. And they're in a playlist that you can find on the screen at the end of this video. All details about this Be Happy box should be in the description box down below. So if you have any questions, check there first. Oh, this is so cute, guys. And there are some pretty sticker books. Pretty spreads that I've seen with this sticker book already. So if you love these stickers, but you're not sure how to use them, I definitely would suggest you head to Instagram to check out what some other planner babes have done to gain some inspiration. So one thing I love about the Happy Planner community is that you can find inspiration on how to use your stash on a number of social media outlets. These are super cute. I love how it's like pinkish purple, and I don't know if anybody else's eyes have caught this, but there's a heart in this flower. Do you see that? There's a heart. Whoever illustrated this, if you see this video or if you know them, please tell them I see you. I see your creativeness in there. This is so cute too. Look at how big these florals are, y'all. You can use these on, if you're making a list, a bucket list of any kind, just slap that in the bottom corner on one of the corners. That would be so cute. Oh, I love those big stickers. Super cute. Uh-oh. I'm pulling off the siding. Okay, so you have the guys, some of these are on clear glossy paper and some of these are matte. So super cute. And you've got that purplish, pinkish color again. Oh, I think I've seen, yes. Jessica, who's also on the Happy Planner Squad, I think she's done a layout with these stickers. Her Instagram, I'm going to put in the corner, like right here. I think it's Live Love Posh. I just call people by their names all the time, so I always forget their Instagram. But if you need some inspiration on using this, I would tell you to check out her Instagram. And you're going to want to follow her too. This is super cute. Oh, guys, these florals, I just can't. And then you've got like something with a corner edge already. Like, look at that. That's super cute. And then these are a lot of matte stickers. These are all on matte paper. Really cute. Oh, and it looks like we got some harvest colors too. Super cute. Okay, now I have not seen any spreads with these yet, but probably because people might be holding on to them for fall. That is super cute. I love that color palette. These make me think of Heather Kell. Super cute. And for those of you who don't know who Heather Kell is, I don't know how you could not know. Maybe you're new to planning, but if you are, I want to let you know. So she is an alum from the Happy Planner Squad. So she was on the Happy Planner Squad for the previous terms. And while she was on the squad, she kept saying how much she wanted sticker books with florals on it. And it's so cool to see how that request is being filled, because so many planner babes do love florals. And I'm sure we're all gushing over this Be Happy box with all the florals and lovely birds and everything in it. These are so cute. I love how these are on a colored background. I'm going to put my request out there. I would love to see more stickers, especially squad girls, with a colored background like this. Of course, multiple colors, so we can do multiple spreads. Super cute. I'm loving it. I really love how that yellow pops out. That yellow and black pops with this background. Super cute. Love it. Okay, guys, that's your second sticker book of 30 sheets in the Keep Blooming box. And as I said, this sticker book should already be at stores. If you're looking for it, this is the barcode. And I hope you enjoyed this flip through. Definitely check out the playlist in case this was one of your first videos. It's going to pop up on the screen in a little second here. And I enjoyed my time here with you. Definitely don't forget to enjoy your planning time as much as our littles enjoy Christmas Eve. Until next time, bye.